Welcome back, friends. How has been your day? Today's our second lecture series on Python, and I'm going to demonstrate to us in this lecture how you can install Python on Windows and also check it out if you are using Linux machine. I have switched to my virtual machine. Virtual means I'm a Linux user. I use Fedora by default on my PC machine, but here, in case of the people having Windows machine on them, let's try and go to the website where you can download your Python application. You open your browser. Here by default, I'm opening my Microsoft Edge here, and then you go to type here Python download. You click on Python download. You go to the website, the official website of Python. Though you can also see it in other websites. Let's go to the official website, Python website. You can see here is the official. You can click on download here, but in case sometimes you can download 32-bit for you. If your operating system is not your machine, your CPU architecture is not 32-bit and 64-bit, let's go to the other options. Let's go to the other downloads. Go to the downloads, click here, go to view full list of downloads. Just click on downloads here. For Windows, let's go for Windows. Go here. Let's see, this one is June 6, 2024. This is Windows 64-bit. Let's have the installer. In case you want to have the binary version, you're very good, you're very used to Windows, you can have that version. You can see you also read the instruction. So note that Python 3.12 cannot be used on Windows 7. Windows 7 has expired since 2020. That is, there's no support again for it by Microsoft since year 2020. You need to upgrade your system if you are using Windows 7. Now let's download the Windows 64-bit installer. My machine, the architecture of my machine is 64-bit. In case you are wondering why do you want to get how do you want to know, you can come to your systems or your machine, your system configuration or system settings, you see whether you are using 64 bits something. Sorry, choosing locate your system architectures. Right click on this, show more options, properties. For the system, you can see my own is 2.50 processor, 64-bit operating system. You can see now. Then let's come back to our installation. You can click on the download 64-bit version. My own is downloading now. Though I can open the file where it's installed. Go to this folder, this window level. So open the folder. Then I have it is downloaded here. Also here. This just I re-downloaded it from here. I can delete this. I've done it before. Let me install it now. Let's follow the instruction. Say use privilege installing this. Just click on installation now. Start installing. Let's wait till it finish. Once it finishes, all right. Okay, our setup is finished. So we are through with it. So great. But still, let's check our command line. Maybe we can see in our command prompt, maybe our system can now recognize Python installation. you can see our system is not yet seeing it, but still, but it has already been installed. But if we type, if we come here, let's open Python command prompt. You should be able to see that. Great. This is Python command prompt showing us Python 3.2. Let's first 87 plus 90. Oh, sorry, 45 plus 98. So you can see it's showing us Python now, but why can't we see it here? It's because we have not set the path. Our system have not seen that. Note that we already have Python installed on our machine. Now let's just do one thing. Let's go to the installation file. Where is Python? Let's locate where it is installed. You can right click here, open file location. But see, mind you, this is a shortcut. Anytime any application icon you are seeing and you have an arrow behind it this way, it says this is what? A shortcut. You can now right click again on that, show more, open file location. Then now we are in the folder where Python is installed. Can you see it's installed in this location? You can decide to change your own location where it is installed. So now let's copy this address first. Let's search for our what? And you can just search for system environment variables. Edit your environment variable, click on it, come to your advanced tab here, environment variables, then now come to this place, parts, double click or edit, then you click on new or come to this side. Good. That's not all. Let's come back to our folder again where we have our, these are the main two important things we need to even install. This part, this Python and Python W, the most important thing if we only want to stop in just working with simple Pythons, but you want to go further to with machine learning and other tools you want to be installing. You're also going to be installing with other PIP, Python installer package. We need to install some other library as well. Also, we need to install this library, copy this folder, this part, copy the part, go back to our settings here, paste it again, our DLLs. Can you see? Let's go back again to our, let's come back to this, our LIB, copy again in case you want to, you are working with machine learning. You can also set it in case you don't know what tomorrow can say. So just configure it the way I'm configuring them now, then come back again. Our scripts, this contain our PIP Python installer package. You need to install that so that you'll be able to use Python installer package on our machine when it's, so that our command prompt will be able to recognize all those commands once we are done. Now it remains the other two parts. Then let's come back now. Now it remains this Python this. You know, you can't just copy the part here. You can just say, okay, right click on it, go to properties, click on security here. Can you see the part here? Let's copy this part. Can you see? And Control C command. If you're on Control C, you're on PC, Control C. Then you come back to our settings, and then we paste. Can you see? We have it here. You can also go do the same thing to the other Python W by just coming back here, do the same thing, or you can just add W, copy the paste the same part and add W to the back of it. Then properties again, come to security tab, then copy and copy, or Control C, then come back to our, sorry, I want to close the other part that we opened the other time. So then now come back to this our environment variable. Now oh, my emulator, okay, paste. Then we have Python W here. Here we have Python, now Python here. So we install like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 library here, 6 parts here. So you now click OK. Don't cancel anyone. Click OK. OK to the final part. If you have opened your command prompt before, you need to close it and reopen the command prompt. Then it will now work. Now let's open our CMD now. Let's open our CMD now. Let's type Python. Oh, cool. And you see, same thing now happen. How cool is that? 98 plus 89. Then we have this 187. That's fine. Now let's try it also in our sorry, you can just put exit. Sorry, exit with parentheses and leave. Clear CLS means clear screen. Then now let's, you also open your command prompt as well. Command or our PowerShell. For example, our PowerShell is same thing. Let's check it from that place as well. We have Python now. What's Python version? Let's check our Python version. You can see as well. We have what? Python 3.142. Same thing here in our command prompt. You can also check out what? Python version. We have it here, telling us that we now have Python installed on our machine. Now, cool. In our next video, I'm going to be demonstrating to us how you can install the, just find them on a Linux machine. But mind you, they are already installed on a Linux machine. Or maybe I should just show you now that how that it's already pre-installed on a Linux machine by, oh, let me add the video clip of that by adding maybe our Linux machine by opening our terminal. For example, our terminal, let me open our terminal here. Where's my terminal here? Okay, good. So I want to open my terminal now. I think, let me minimize the other videos. Sorry, I'm very sorry. I don't want to compile too much things. Now let me now come to my terminal here now. Let's see, let me clear the screen. Let me check by default. Now I told you earlier that the Python is already installed on Linux. This is Fedora machine Python. Same command version. Sorry, I'm having an issue here. So I wrote Python very soon. So this is Python version. So sorry, Python hyphen version. Can you see now? Sorry for that. Then if I also want to do, let me also do the same calculation. Python here now. That means 78 plus 55. 133. Oh, now let's go. Now in the next lecture, we're talking about our basic syntax and other things that relate to Python. Thank you very much for listening. Please subscribe I will see you next lecture. Have a wonderful day.